You've heard of people making money with YouTube Shorts. And maybe I was one of those people, not to, flex. You've also probably heard about people making money from TikTok. And you may have even heard of people making money from Snapchat, especially if you watch my videos. But one platform that pretty much no one ever talks about that can actually make you a lot of money is Facebook, the platform for boomers. That's right, Facebook actually has a monetization program which many people don't know about, and you can actually make a lot of money from it. So in this video, I'm going to be going through exactly how Facebook monetization works, how I have 66,000 followers on Facebook and I'm going to get monetized with it, and how you can ultimately start making money with it as well. Let's get right into the video. So just for some context, if you guys don't know, I happen to be really good at juggling. And I've basically built my main personal brand from juggling on social media. You can see if you go to my Instagram and you look up Fly Juggler, I have over 400,000 followers on here, and it's just from the juggling videos that I've been posting. But I also post those videos on Facebook. Whoever's editing this, you gotta add in the 6'7" meme right here. And you can see on Facebook, I have 67,000 followers.
What the hell, boy?
Anyways, you may not have known this, but I'm going to show you on my phone right now. On Facebook, if you go to your profile and you click on professional dashboard and you scroll right here to monetization, you can actually make money from the stuff you post on Facebook. And I'm not just talking about subscriptions, which is where people decide to pay you monthly to just support you, or stars where people can donate to you directly. But I'm talking about if you scroll down, they have content monetization. This is where people can get paid just for the views that they get on Facebook and basically as a share of ad revenue. And so all you have to do is go to monetization, click content monetization, and then it'll allow you to submit your application to join the Facebook monetization program. Now, here's the thing about Facebook. It is not like YouTube or TikTok where they say, oh, once you meet this threshold, you'll automatically get put into our monetization program. No, that is not how it works. The way that it works is once you apply, you just have to wait until they accept you. And unfortunately, I have not been accepted yet. But I still do want to say, I do think I will be monetized somewhat soon, although you can never be sure because again, Facebook just kind of monetizes you when they decide to, and there's no real way you can know when you're going to get monetized. But I still feel like I can speak on this because I have a lot of followers on Facebook, and after growing my following, that's like basically a base requirement for them to even consider you for monetization, and I have a lot of other friends that have gotten monetized on Facebook already. So keep watching for more info on that, but first let me just show you how you can post to Facebook and actually gain followers on there. That is a necessary prerequisite before you can actually start earning anything from Facebook. So firstly, Facebook is stupid and confusing, and everyone that I know that uses Facebook absolutely hates their interface. But basically the way that it works is you need to set up a portfolio in Meta Business Suite. Under this portfolio, you can put in not only an Instagram account, but also a Facebook page. So if you go to Facebook, you'll see you have your normal account here. But on top of this, if you click on your account on the top right and click see all profiles, you may have other profiles, otherwise known as pages. And if you don't already have one, you can click create to create a new page. And all you have to do is click create public page. This is how you grow as a business, creator, or organization. If you're trying to have a profile that's saying like, this is me and I'm just trying to connect with my friends, then that would be a personal profile. But anything where you're trying to be a content creator or a business or something like that, you want to create a public page. And so my page, for example, is Fly Juggler. This is my Facebook page. Then if you go to Meta Business Suite, it's a little confusing. I'm not going to do it in this whole video, but you can basically make a business portfolio and then connect your page and your Instagram account to the same portfolio. I recommend you do this because it means that Facebook will actually know like this is you and this is your legit account connected to your Instagram. Then it's time to start uploading to your Facebook page. Now, if you wanted to upload a completely new video, you could actually just go to your Facebook page, and under the home page, you can click right here, what's on your mind, photo/video, and upload whatever photo or video that you just recorded for Facebook. You could even obviously just go to the camera and record in-app if you really, really wanted to. But I know most of you watching this already have content that you've already posted on either TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or some other social media platform. So I'm about to show you how you can get all that old content on whatever other social media platform you used onto Facebook without having to do any extra work. And all you have to do is go to repurpose.io. I'll leave the link to this in the description. It's completely free to start, so you can just literally log in with Google. And all you'd have to do is go to connections here. You can just connect all your Facebook accounts, all your Instagram accounts, all your TikTok accounts, etc., all into one place. Then if you go under workflows, all you have to do is create a new workflow. Let's say I wanted to repost all the videos that I had on Instagram to my Facebook page. So I would just click on Instagram and connect the Instagram I'm trying to repost from. Then I would just click up here and click repurpose existing content, which means it's going to start posting videos on Instagram that I've already made to, and then I would just click Facebook, and then I would just choose the page. In this case, the page is going to be Fly Space Juggler, since that's the one I post on. And then all I would need to do is click create workflow. And what's cool about repurpose, by the way, is you can set up an automation from any platform to any other platform. So you can see I have an automation set up from Instagram to literally every single other platform when I post. And you might be wondering, well, Bennett, why don't you have any automation set up from Instagram to Facebook or to Threads? Well, the answer is that I had one set up in the past, which was basically to repost all of my old videos on Instagram to Facebook. But now what I do, since Instagram is my main platform anyway, is when I need to post a video, I will just, let's say, go to post, and when you click on next, Instagram also lets you automatically share these new videos on your Facebook page and on your Threads page. So I just have the guy that I have uploading to my Instagram check these on, so those automatically go up on Facebook and Threads. But for all the other platforms, I just use repurpose to have them automatically go up on there, and that's how I'm monetized on TikTok, YouTube, and Snapchat. So it's pretty freaking overpowered to just be able to put all of the channels that you want to monetize on right here, because then you don't have to do any of the manual posting on any of these platforms, which I think is pretty overpowered. And again, if I was starting my Facebook from scratch, I would literally just set up a workflow to repost all the old Instagram videos that I made to Facebook. And again, the way you do that is just by, if you view the workflow that you set up, let's say from Instagram to Facebook, then you would just click on the gear icon right here at the top, scroll down, and then you can repurpose all content, future and existing, and decide how many posts you want to do per day. So if you wanted to do 5 posts per day, you could just choose that, and it would automatically schedule 5 of the old posts that you made on whatever the account you're repurposing from to Facebook. So yeah, that's how you start growing on Facebook. And then once you actually hit a pretty good follower threshold, I recommend getting to like at least 10,000 followers before you submit an application to monetization. You once again, as I showed you on my phone, go to monetization and then just submit your application. Now, if you get accepted, let's talk about how much money you can actually make. Now, I know a bunch of people who are monetized on TikTok. I can't get into everyone that I know, but here's an example of someone who I actually work with. I help him basically make videos on social media. If you have long form footage, by the way, and you need help turning them into short form, make sure to DM me on Instagram. I'll be able to help you out. But yeah, we basically do that for him, and he's been able to make a bunch of extra money from just the videos that we've made for him on Facebook. And so in 1 month, when we started posting for him, he's monetized on YouTube and Facebook, and we helped him make an extra $3,000 in ad revenue, and only like half of that was from YouTube. So just from the views that he was getting on his videos, and you can see kind of how many they were roughly getting here, he's probably looking at like a couple million in that time span. Like this is a video we made for him, for example, and there were a couple others here that we made for him, like this one, and I can't see all of them, but yeah, over a couple million views. I think he was able to make $1,000. And so, by the way, Facebook not only lets you monetize videos, but it also lets you monetize photos as well, which can be pretty overpowered if you can play that right. And so yeah, as I get monetized, I will be making more videos on how much money Facebook actually directly pays me. But for now, just know that there are people making a lot of money from Facebook monetization. And so to start, get a lot of followers, submit your application for content monetization on Facebook, and then literally just sit there and freaking pray that they actually accept you. And again, I highly recommend using repurpose to get all your stuff on Facebook, because that's basically what I did to get to 67. It's time to stop. 1,000 followers. And I hope it helps you get followers on Facebook as well, and ultimately helps you get monetized like it has for a bunch of my friends, and how it will for me hopefully soon. With that being said, thank you guys all so much for watching the video. I'll catch you all in the next one, and peace.